The current alarms and faults are provided in the Details window at the bottom of the screen. Simply click the Alarms tab to access the Alarms window. If the Details window is not available at the bottom of the screen, activate it by choosing View and Details View from the main menu in Starter. Current faults and alarms are displayed in the Details window. Double-clicking the row will activate the help files for the event, or you can press the Help for Event button above the window. You can acknowledge the faults one at a time or all at once using the buttons above the Alarms window. Acknowledge will clear any faults that are still not existing. Current faults will remain. Alarms are self-clearing when the condition returns to normal. New faults or alarms are immediately displayed. To access the alarm history, double-click the alarm history listing under Diagnostics in the project tree. The alarm history lists current and past alarms and faults with the most current at the top of the list. The time listings are not real time, but rather the amount of time the drive has been under power since manufacture.